Hello everyone, this is the descending triangle chart pattern. This is the opposite of the ascending triangle chart pattern. The descending triangle needs at least two lows of resistance level to the downside and needs two support level in a straight horizontal line. This is the diagram which I have labeled for you. You can see the straight support line over here. It needs straight support line and minimum two taps. As I have said in the previous video, we need two taps on both sides to be a valid pattern. If it is further than that, it is a bonus and further more confirmation for us. And the resistance line to the downside, as you can see, this is the resistance line to the downside. Whenever descending triangle is formed, it indicates that the sellers are more aggressive than the buyers. The descending triangle can be formed in uptrend or downtrend. The interpretation of this pattern is that we have to wait for the breakdown of the triangle. The distance would be the same. We will measure it from the price range tool. Hence you can see it drop down. The descending triangle is a bearish pattern, which means that the sellers are interested in dropping the price. So this is the hypothetical example. Let's go to the chart and find some descending triangles with examples. I have already marked the descending triangle for you. We have a nice straight support level in horizontal sequence and we have the resistance line towards downside. The triangle got broke, the price went down, as you can see over here. Let's find another example. Here straight horizontal line, equal resistance line, triangle got broke and the price went down. This is the opposite of ascending triangle. So this was the descending triangle. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Let's move towards the next lecture. But guys, try to practice this and identify descending triangle as much as possible on the chart. Furthermore, if you have any queries, hit me up and I'll be there to respond.